What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of the family, a Dodge Dakota. I'm excited to bring you this kind of content. This is a 2006, so there are a couple of things wrong with it. It is about 12 years old. My mechanic during my PPI said that the tire is a little worn. Well, that's a great idea for some bigger tires. We also have some oxidation in the headlights, so we'll be taking care of that. These front tires, they have a little bit of tread left. There is some rust, but I'm going to do some undercoating on that. This is a rear-wheel drive, so the back tires are a lot more worse than the front ones. The inside looks like it's going to need a little bit of detailing, a lot of dust, a lot of dirt over here and over here. We have a nice wet dry vac that'll take care of that. And it does have this, a manual transmission, and we have our 4 high and our 4 low over there. We'll do a quick walk around. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust starting to develop over here, but we'll take care of that with some fender flares. It's the V8 Magnum. There's a lot more visible rust on this side, but it shouldn't be that bad to hide. These seats fold up for some storage, maybe a future home for a subwoofer. Let's pop this hood and let's see this engine. We have our 4.7 liter V8. Does look a little dirty, but believe me guys, this will be my project to clean this up. These are V8s, they're very strong, and we'll put it to its test. But yeah, me choosing this truck, I definitely want to take the ATV out a lot more. I did get rid of my Explorer last year, so I don't have a truck to pull a trailer, so I'll be getting rid of the trailer, and now I can take the quad out on the trails. From the looks of it, it looks like they never really hauled anything. We have some scratches over there, but I think it looks like this truck had a fairly easy life. We're gonna put it up to its test. I don't want to take it that off-road, maybe a couple of trails to get to some ATV trails, but nothing too much. Maybe a little bit of a lift kit, a couple of inches, and some bigger tires, definitely, or maybe even a whole set of new wheels. But stay tuned and we'll figure it out. For all you Dakota guys out there, if you have any suggestions on what to do with the truck, please let me know. Shoot me a message, write something in the comments. I definitely want to get this truck up and running in the next couple of weeks so I can take it out to the trails and do some riding with the quad.